Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a ZTE RedMagic 6R, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the sound section. Now let's scroll down, and as you can see here, we've got the section with the ringtones, with the notification sound and other sounds like, for example, alarms. So let me show you how to change the ringtone using the first option for the incoming calls, and tap on Allow. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the list of defaultly installed ringtones from which we can choose. As you can see at the very top, we've got the silent option, which simply means that after picking it, your device will not use the ringtone, the sound, to notify you about the incoming call. Here we've got the local music, which simply means that you can pick the music which you've got currently on your device, and the recording. So for example, if you recorded something, then you can set it as a ringtone. But let me pick something from internal media, and in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it, and you will be able to hear it. Just like that. Let me volume it down a little bit, and this is how to check the ringtones. So if you're happy with your choice, for example, let me set the jump option. As you can see, it's marked. Then all you have to do is to simply tap on OK. And as you can see, we just go back to the sound section, and right here next to the phone ringtone, we've got the jump, which simply means that we just successfully set the ringtone, and from now on your device will use it in order to notify you about the incoming call. So basically that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your ZTE RedMagic 6R. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.